Is DHgate legit? DHgate is an online marketplace that connects buyers with suppliers, primarily from China, offering a wide range of products at affordable prices. While it is a legitimate platform, its reputation is mixed due to concerns about product quality, shipping times, and counterfeit goods. This guide provides a thorough breakdown to help you determine whether DHgate is a reliable option for your shopping needs. 1. Overview of DHgate. DHgate is a legitimate e-commerce platform that operates similarly to AliExpress. It offers products across various categories including electronics, clothing, accessories, and home goods. The platform primarily caters to international customers and is popular for its bulk purchasing options. Second, product quality and authenticity. Product quality on DHgate varies significantly. While some items meet or exceed expectations, others fall short. Counterfeit products, especially in categories like designer clothing, sneakers, and electronics, are common. Shoppers should be cautious and thoroughly check reviews and product details before purchasing. Third, payment security and methods. DHgate provides secure payment options such as credit debit cards, PayPal, and local payment methods in certain regions. It uses encryption to protect sensitive information and offers a secure checkout process. Fourth, buyer protection program. DHgate has a buyer protection policy that ensures full refund if the item does not arrive, partial or full refund if the item differs significantly from the description. However, buyers need to open disputes within a specified time frame and provide clear evidence to support their claims. 5. Shipping and delivery times. Shipping times can vary depending on the location, seller, and chosen shipping method. Free shipping options often take weeks or even months, while expedited shipping services like DHL and FedEx are quicker but more expensive. 6. Common complaints and risks. Counterfeit goods. Many listings feature knockoffs of popular brands. Inconsistent product quality. Some products do not match the photos or descriptions. Long shipping times. Standard shipping may take several weeks. Language barriers. Communication with sellers can sometimes be challenging. 7. Tips for safe shopping on DHgate. Check seller ratings and feedback. Opt for sellers with high ratings and numerous positive reviews. Examine product reviews. Look for detailed feedback from previous buyers. Avoid branded items. Branded items are more likely to be counterfeit. Use secure payment methods. Stick to payment methods offered directly by DHgate. Communicate with the seller. Ask questions if you're unsure about product details. 8. DHgate versus competitors. DHgate competes with platforms like AliExpress, Banggood, and Wish. While DHgate excels in bulk purchases, AliExpress is often preferred for single-item purchases due to better product variety and more transparent customer reviews. DHgate is a legitimate online shopping platform, but it requires caution and thorough research when making purchases. By choosing reputable sellers, reading customer reviews, and managing expectations about shipping times and product quality, shoppers can have a positive experience. However, if you're looking for branded or high-quality products, alternative marketplaces may be a safer choice.